Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. I got this Porsche 997 Turbo that I was working on yesterday. I'm pretty sure you've seen the video I posted. I didn't know that you gotta have no music running in the background, otherwise to copyright from YouTube. Now I know, so I'll do another video anyway. I'll leave that video on, doesn't really matter. But let's have a look. This is the PCM Plus. This new PCM fits in a. They come for. Sorry, they actually. Sorry, that's the alarm. They come for the. They actually designed for 986 Boxster, 996 Carrera, 987 Boxster and Cayman, and 997 models, including turbos, duty-frees, and all that. Okay, so yeah, this is great. Have a look. If you look at that, it's great. So you got home, digital radio, phone, just pretty basic and very easy to use, user friendly. So let me just sorry, let me just tie it up because I keep locking the door. All right, this is actually a digital radio. So you can see I can't have the sound on, otherwise it will be copyright. So all the digital radio, what you do is you got to go to list, and all the actual digital radio system is channels are here. And if you like one, you say you like FBI's radio, click on that one, and you just find a spot that's actually free, empty, and then say you like it, and you just press on, say number one, press number one, and hold it there for actual 3 seconds, and that will be stored on that number. Anyway, let's go back home. It's got the maps. The map is from Porsche. If you want the map from Porsche, it's nearly 400 bucks. You gotta buy it and then you gotta install it there, or you can just have your iPhone connected for CarPlay. I had to remove this system out from the car. This is a Mobridge system. I had to remove everything out, otherwise this new system won't work. There was a lot of work just removing that out properly. I didn't cut any wire, I removed it properly. So now I've got a new shorter USB that goes there. So you can see you've got the charger, phone charger there. Then you turn the ignition off, it turns off, and when you put the ignition on, it comes on. Alright, that's all done. Now let's look at the Bluetooth system. You can just pair your phone, put the Bluetooth on, and then you just go to Bluetooth, and then you find the system will find your phone, and you'll just press pair. It does it automatically. When it comes to actually, let's look at the actual. Let me hook up the phone. This one here. Alright, you hook up the phone like this and it comes up CarPlay like that automatically by itself, or you can just go to CarPlay yourself, and then you can unlock the phone. Sorry, I'm gonna unlock this phone first. So once you unlock your phone, CarPlay comes up and you just play your music, maps, everything works, and that's pretty much it. Alright, GPS is there, everything is there. So CarPlay works by just connecting the cable there. With this customer, I've got a shorter cable because his phone goes on this charger here. So shorter cable will just be like that, and then hook up to his phone there. Alright, everything is done. I had to run an actual separate cable across to connect this one to the actual system. So you can see in the video I mean, look at this. I'll show you what I mean. See this? I don't mind. That's not bad. This kind of work. They've got that, but I don't do that. I use the actual braided shield to protect the wire. It's much better. So you get like an extra layer of thickness. It just looks neat. It pretty much looks like a factory. So if you pull the whole trim apart, you just think it's factory. You won't know it's aftermarket. The wiring that I put down in the back for the actual charger here, for that charger. All right, and all the wire that I use for the PCM, I wrapped it up properly and all that. But that's pretty much it. Another PCM Plus. I'm doing a lot of this, probably one a week or one every 2 weeks. I do one. So I've done a 986, 996, 997, and 987. So pretty much done all the actual models, and a 911 SC as well. That was pretty fun, 1978. But yes, if you want this system installed on your Porsche, I recommend this. Don't buy the aftermarket anymore, because this is much better, because it communicates with the instrument cluster and gateway. The aftermarket one, like Pioneer and all that, they are great, but there's a lot of faults everywhere on the car. So just buy the Porsche one. The extra money, it's worth it. And it, for the car, if you want to sell the car in the future, it's got a nice system there. All right, rather than aftermarket. So a lot of people with Porsche love to put Porsche stuff on it. It's up to you what you want to do, but if you ask me as an installer, specialist in Porsche, I'll just buy this from Porsche and be happy, and much better. There's no noise, there's no mucking around. All the other ones, sometimes I've got to put a noise filter and all this new alternator and you name it, just to fix the noise, but this is like perfect from Porsche. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.